didn't take long. Today's the end of the month, and that brings on the last minute, starting last night, well, today, last minute, gosh, we're moving out of our apartment or our house, or we're moving into a new place, and we need the carpets cleaned. We need you to squeeze us in. Or we have people moving in tomorrow in this apartment, and there's some spots in there we'd just like you to take out. So today is one of those days. I'm out on the van again, and I'm gonna do one place that, well, you almost need a shop vac and a broom to start cleaning up just the debris because they're in construction. So I'm gonna go use their broom, push it to an area, use the shop vac, and then use my vacuum so I don't destroy my vacuum. Come to Papa. Well, here's where we're at now. Some more debris to pick up a little bit. These chunks, and if you run into nails and stuff, aren't good on a regular vacuum. You're gonna have to crevice along all the edges to load it up. Even underneath there, pretty soiled. Here's a new one, haven't seen. Well, guess I have, but it's washer and dryer in a bedroom. That didn't take long. Well, the vacuuming is done. I've got quite a bit of soils, of course, which I expected during some construction zone. I would say this looks 10 times, no wait, I'll go out on a limb here. I'd say 11 times better at least, with just a good vacuuming. Quite a bit of debris. Yep, at least 11 times better, definitely. So first typical thought when I first walk in, of course, nail it with the monster, you know, release the beast and hit her with the code red. But then I look at it after it's vacuumed and I'm going, 10 below would be perfect on it. It's also going to take out some odors without the use of perfume. Warranty safe, even though there's no warranty left on that thing, any of those carpets. But it's going to just take care of what you need. I don't need to take and use the biggest hammer that I've got. I'll just go a little bit smaller hammer. And I'm only going to use 3 quarts. I'm at 4-to-1. If you don't know what that is, I know some of you struggle with that, but I got the yellow tip out, and every quart line is going to get 1 scoop. So every quart I fill up on here, I'm going to go to 3 because I did 3 scoops. Just do it. Trust me, just do it. I got the pressure set up high from yesterday. I have to go set that down. We used the super spinner on the last job and guys didn't turn it down. Ding, ding. Goes my phone. Ding, ding. Mark at area code 218-555. See, it's cleaning just fine with good old 10 below. Well, from my vantage point, I would say that that's definitely 11.875% better. Definitely. Clean it up really nice, and it's gonna smell good. We're gonna eliminate any of the old stanky kind of odors with the 10 below a little bit too. Here's the hallway. Some of my favorite. Yep. No problem. Look at that difference. Easy. I know, I missed over there. I got it. I've got it. You think I'm not one of the 2%ers out there that do the job correctly. Well, I don't see any cracks. Ouch, just hit my knee too. Oh my gosh. That's not good, that hurts. And then I got this olefin that the glide won't push on. I'll be back with you, sorry. Oh, that all hurt. Bet the camera's feeling it. I tell you, I'm feeling it. Oh. Still can't do it. Too much bite. Find the angle, because I gotta scrunch down. Oh my gosh, to do the forward stroke right now. That's ridiculous. So this I can run one-handed and still be able to video from here. Still a bit of a workout though. Oh my gosh, that got some bite. That was some fresh carpet. Doesn't see the light of day very often. Or footprints or feet. Whew. See that there? Well, maybe it's gone, but that little brown square, that's from a piece of furniture. And that's, the light has changed the color of the carpet. See that, what the camera did too? So light changed the color of the carpet. It's darker in the areas that hasn't been exposed to light. It's cleaning up really good. again, 10 below is a great choice here. Packs quite a punch for a 9.5 pH, odorless, has chemistry that can help eliminate odors without the use of a perfume. So it's a darn nice pre-spray. I'm old enough to remember when the phones in the home, as a landline, they were a party line out on the old family farm. And you'd pick up the phone and you'd hear somebody else talking on your line because you shared a line. So of course, out of politeness, you're supposed to hang up. But you know how that goes. Some people just wouldn't hang up. They had to hear the conversation and be part of the party. Party line, yeah, crazy. Getting close to being done though here. We've had a wild day. All 3 vans going. That's why I'm out. That knee hates me. I'm not much of a fan of it myself right now. Just another 3 weeks and I get another new one. Maybe they'll put in titanium this time. I think they did though. Well, I gotta get behind that door. I got just this square to go. Done. Whew. I'm done. Oh shoot, now I gotta go put that in. There. No bugs, bees, or anybody. Nobody can get in now. That's perfect. Not quite my favorite at this time. Stairs. All right, Christine. What is making that noise? Something going on there. Please turn off the app. Okay, I sure will. Never played that game. Don't think I'm gonna start. God dang, that thing just shifted. I must have had somebody left-handed wrapping up my hose yesterday. Aaron, Dang lefties. Wrap it up backwards. Just gonna comment about how hot this hose is getting to handle, and then I'm starting to roll it up and I see all this tar from down there. I just grabbed a bunch of dissolve ball, poured it on this rag, and that's what I'm gonna use with 2 hands to wipe all that tar off. Yeah. Yummy, yummy, fun. Come on. Quit beating me up today. Oh, that feels good. Well, thanks everyone for being here. Hopefully make something out of this video that'll be worth a darn. Have any excitement, any entertainment? Maybe. But thanks for checking us out. Give us a thumbs up, a like, subscribe if you would. And just keep getting content, so when I'm down with this knee getting replaced for the 2nd time within a year, lucky me out of that one, that 2%. Yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna keep making videos while I'm sitting in that chair with Luna the super puppy helping me out, and I'm gonna try to get them uploaded. I don't know when this one will come out, but take care. Thanks for being here. Knee.